Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect Baserow to N8N. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log into your N8N account, and then, once logged in, click on Personal, and then choose the workflow that you want to use. From here, we're gonna add first step, and then we're gonna search Baserow on the search nodes. Click an action that you want to automate, and then on the drop-down menu, we're going to click on and create a new credential. Now, N8N will require you to input the username and password for your Baserow account. So, input your email and password, and click on Save. Now, your Baserow and N8N is connected. You can now automate your Baserow workspace with N8N. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!